Alright guys, two really big updates. Something special is in the garage, and I got the appropriate hardware for mounting my GoPro to things. I got extra batteries so I can record more. Say goodbye to this janky little thing. It was literally zip tied. Yes, my clicker's pink. Don't judge. She's gonna push the clutch down while I open the nipple and let it bleed out.
Hi, it's okay. We're working on the cars. We're working on the cars.
So it's the next day. I am working on the QTP cutout problem that I've been having. And I've diagnosed that I believe it is the switch. I'm gonna try to figure out if it works. What you should see is in just a minute, you should see that open and close, hopefully. Okay, so some of you might have thought, oh cool, it's working. And I did too for a second, but actually it's doing the same exact thing. It works for just a minute and then just freezes up for some reason. So I'm gonna run a little bit of a test because I know that it's actually, the switch is actually working now. I'm wondering if it's the wiring. And that's what it does. Woo! And that even sounds like the right power. I think that it was just this. Where's it at? Just this connection. That QTP. This is the original part for QTP. So I just had wired it up directly to the switch, and it was working. Even when I was wiring it with using this, which was the original that went to this, it was not working. and you could tell a significant difference in even when it would work, it just sounded very weak and like it wasn't getting enough power supply. So I think I solved the problem. Now it's time. I'm gonna hook this directly up to here, and then we'll hook this back up to the plug-in down there, and we'll see if those wires are bad. I would really love to not have to rewire the whole thing because it's just a pain in the butt. I'd do it anyways because it's worth it, but we'll see. Let's find out. Let's go get set up over here. Again. Sounds strong. Wonderful, so it looks like it works. I am going to spend some time button it up. That will be going in that Forester out there. Once this beast gets done, hopefully should be soon. Whew! That was, holy crap. That was so much worse than it ever should have been. I need a lift. Okay, so before I tidy things up and finish up in the car, I want to start it while it's bolted up and make sure that everything's performing as it should. My bad. Let me clean you up there. There you go. There you are. Okay. So it works. Wahoo!